Data analytics is a crucial skill that has the potential of elevating any career. I believe you may be in business development, human resource, front desk, administration, customer service, customer relations, monitoring and evaluation, name it. Data analytics as a skill can make you stand out. We want you to stand out. And this is why we are bringing and gifting our data analytics in Excel to you for free. So, whether you have used Excel before or not, whether it is new or completely new to you, we are taking you from the very beginning to the advanced user level. Okay, we are not just teaching you the tool, we are teaching you business logic, we are teaching you skills that will be necessary to make you stand out in that career. We'll be talking about business logic in business development, in customer relations, customer retention, in administration, in finance, in procurement, you name it. This is because we want you to stand out. We are building our community and we want you to be part of us. We want you to be part of young people who are making a change in their lives. We want you to be part of young people, part of a young community that is trying to make a change, that is trying to basically rewrite how the international community look at the young Nigerian, especially in Nigeria. We are making sure that you graduate from school or you finish your youth service year strong enough to actually get employed. So that is why we are employing the experiential learning method to ensure that we harness the experience that you might have had that you are not even paying attention to. It's what we've done and is what we can do with you. So in the comment section, you are going to see the form, the link to the form rather, that you're going to apply. Mind you, this is free. It is completely free. The certificate is free, so there is no cost attached. We are doing this as a way of saying thank you to God and thank you to all those who believed in us. So now you can find the link in the comment section. You can also find the link in the description of this video. We are waiting to see you. We are waiting to collaborate with you. And this training is going to be self-paced. That is to say that you can join it in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening as your schedule fits. Okay? So we want you to participate. Don't miss out on this opportunity, and we are sure that you're going to be good for it. We are also going to give you CV review guidance to ensure that you can package everything you've learned. We are also going to guide you on how to develop your portfolio to make sure that this is something that will be highly beneficial to you. So at the beginning of the course, we will want to help you select your domain so that you can easily just transition from learning to actually working, to actually getting connected with the job roles that fits your domain. So thank you so much. Class begins in April. We would like to see you. Fill the form. Let us grow this community together. Bye.